A little bit to the right. No, my right. Okay, now a little bit to the left. Zoom out just a bit. Focus, easy. A little bit more, and hold it right there. Perfect. I've been framed. Fauxrensics case number 15. Evidence, genuine versus faux. It's an iconic television and movie quote. I've been framed. No, not that kind of framed. The kind that's done by manipulating evidence, making someone appear guilty of a crime they didn't commit. Now, this definitely makes for some compelling storytelling, but with all the advances in forensic technology, is it really as easy as it looks on TV to frame someone with false evidence? Well, television doesn't get it all wrong in this case. If someone manipulates evidence undetected, it could skew an investigation. The key is to determine whether evidence uncovered at a location is genuine and not planted, forged, or simply left there before becoming a crime scene. Fortunately for us, forensic investigators are trained to do just that. The first step is to secure and preserve the scene. This is pretty important, so we'll get to that in the next episode. And since we've already talked about wiping fingerprints away, let's talk about the flip side, planting a false print. Often on screen, you'll see this, a criminal using victims' hands to plant fingerprints on a piece of evidence. The suspect then flees the scene, hoping that investigators will find those prints. A television investigator then might say something along the lines of, "Prints are all over the scene," pinning the crime on someone else. In real life, however, forensic investigators know that the identity of a person connected to any piece of evidence is just one piece of a larger puzzle. Take it from NFSTC latent print expert Christine Goldman. Coming to the conclusion that a print is planted isn't as simple as television would have you think.
Planting fingerprints, I wouldn't testify that something was planted. You can take measurements, you document it, you take notes, you photograph it, and that's all part of the puzzle, putting the pieces together. But to actually say if something was planted or not, I would say there needs to be a lot more information to go that far.
So in cases like this, investigators need to look way past just the print itself. Like for example, the height and angle of a hand when the print was deposited has to be determined, along with the location of the print and how it could have gotten there in the first place, just to name a few. This helps the investigator reconstruct the events that took place at the scene, making it easier to determine if the print is genuine or planted. Most genuine fingerprint evidence found at crime scenes are partials, left unintentionally in places we wouldn't even consider, and in some cases can't even see. Usually, a planted print would be much more obvious. The point is, no matter how perfect a piece of evidence is, it's the investigator's job to determine how it got there and take into consideration every possible scenario. If something doesn't fit, they'll find out why. Real-life investigators keep innocent victims from being falsely accused of crimes they didn't commit. Anything else is Fauxrensics.
I'm out.